Today I'm going to talk about exponential growth and decay. So what I've got on the screen looks pretty complicated. We're going to go through it piece by piece, get some examples done, and take it slow so everyone gets the hang of it. All right? So this general formula looks like this. Okay? There's an exponent that tells you it's an exponential function. So the variable will be up there. All these other things are just numbers. So A is the current amount or current value of what's growing or decaying. A lot of times you're going to see like bacteria growth or like a bank account that pays interest or the value of a car that's depreciating, going down. So let's talk about maybe a bank account. So A would be the how much is in the bank account right now. You call this A naught, a little zero you call a naught. So that's how much it started with. Okay, and then it's 1 plus or minus R. Plus is for growth, like a bank account. Minus is for decay, like a half-life or the value of something going down, depreciation. We'll do examples of that. Okay, R is the rate. It has to be as a decimal. You're going to see that in an example right away. And then N is the number of times the rate is applied. That might be confusing, but you'll get the hang of that too. Okay, so if this is a bank account, you're going to use plus because the value goes up. N, if the bank account it pays interest every year, N will be the number of years. If the bank account pays interest every month, N will be the number of months. Okay, I'm not going to make that difficult today. We're going to build up to that. All right, so we will do an example, and it's going to be a bank account. Okay, so it's open with a $2,500 deposit. Interest rate is 5% annually. That means every year. And we're going to get an equation for the current balance. All right, so the current balance I'll call A. Let me compare it to our formula here. We start with the starting amount. Remember that number out in front of an exponential equation is the y-intercept. It's the starting amount. So that's going to be 2,500. Bank account value goes up, so we're going to use plus. Now, what's the R? R is 5%. Okay, but it's got to be as a decimal. So if you see a percentage, which you will a lot, just divide by 100. So that's going to be 0.05. Okay, so that's what goes in the brackets. N, number of times the rate is applied, it just matches this. So N's the number of years. You call that T if you wanted, Y for years. I'm just going to call it N, like before. Okay, so this is it. We did it. You can simplify this. Look like this. Okay, so this formula will tell you how much money's in the account after N years. We'll do some examples in the next video using this.